Welcome back to Rolling with Brad. After breakfast and a sunny Andalusia morning in Seville, we're going to continue our tour through the hilly inlands heading towards Cordoba. On our way, we'll be visiting some of the most beautiful white villages of Andalusia in the middle of olive groves that spread for hundreds and hundreds of miles. Cordoba was an important Roman city and a major Islamic center in the Middle Ages, founded by the Romans in the 2nd century BC.
Mark, where are we?
The Mezquita-Catedral in Cordoba. And we're allowed to learn some history.
Cordoba is famous around the world for its great mosque. Its historic old town is a World Heritage Site.
What number are you on? What number are you on?
4.
You're still, and this is showing you the same pictures?
Wait, no, yeah, I was just doing 4. They were just talking about the arches and stuff like that. I just going through them.
I'm trying to put the camera on top so we get a little bit of...
It's on the map.
So I'm putting the camera on top of the phone and we're getting a little bit of history.
Oh, cool. Yeah. It's good information, although I can't sort out where we're supposed to listen to it.
Very impressive.
This thing is actually flipped between a mosque and a cathedral multiple times in history.
Oh, really?
And then they would tear it apart and make it into a cathedral, and then tear it apart and make it back into a mosque, just depending on who was winning the wars at the time.
And what was popular. All right, we're gonna shut it off for a bit, do some other touring, and we'll come back to you in a little while. Peace.
It was an absolute pleasure staying in the old village, taking in the sights on our rest day. I really appreciate you subscribing. It's helping us grow our community. Stay tuned for our next adventure.
Tom was flashing his light. Something happened.